How to delete a message for everyone on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp and go to the chat where you sent the message. Hold down on the message you want to delete. After a few moments, you will see some icons appear at the top. One of them is the recycle bin. Tap on the trash icon. 3 options will appear: delete for me, cancel, and the most important one, delete for all. Select delete for all, and the message will disappear not only from your chat, but also from that of the person or persons who received it. Please note, however, this function has time limits. You can only delete a message for everyone within approximately 1 hour after sending it. After this period, you can only delete it for yourself. In addition, if the recipient has already read the message before you delete it, the effect will only be partial. They will still see that something has been deleted, with the words, "This message has been deleted." This is a very useful function to remedy common mistakes, but should be used with care.